Let's make juicy, smoky, and sweet THC-infused honey barbecue chicken skewers with pineapple. Each skewer is infused with 15 milligrams of THC. For the marinade, 1 pound of boneless, skinless chicken breast or thighs, cut into chunks. Half a cup of barbecue sauce. A quarter cup of fresh pineapple juice. 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika. 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper. 1/2 teaspoon of salt. 1 cup of fresh pineapple chunks. Wooden skewers soaked in water for 30 minutes. For the THC-infused honey glaze, 1.5 tablespoons per skewer. 5 THC-infused honey sticks. A quarter cup of barbecue sauce. 3 tablespoons of melted butter. 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar. 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika. 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder. 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper. 1/4 teaspoon of salt. 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne, optional for spice. In a bowl, add 1 pound of diced chicken. Pour in half a cup of barbecue sauce and a quarter cup of fresh pineapple juice to help tenderize the chicken. Sprinkle in smoked paprika, garlic powder, black pepper, and salt. Stir everything until the chicken is well coated. Cover and refrigerate for at least 30 minutes, or up to 4 hours for maximum flavor. Thread the marinated chicken onto skewers, alternating with fresh pineapple chunks for a sweet and smoky balance. Grill or cook on a stovetop for 10 to 12 minutes, flipping halfway until golden brown and juicy. While the skewers are cooking, make the THC-infused honey glaze. In a small bowl, mix 5 THC Honey Stix, a quarter cup of barbecue sauce, 3 tablespoons of melted butter, 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar, smoked paprika, garlic powder, black pepper, and salt. Stir until smooth. Once the skewers are cooked, brush on the THC honey glaze for a perfectly sticky, infused finish. Juicy, smoky, and infused with sweet honey barbecue flavor. Try this recipe at home and tag us. Follow Make Stix for more infused honey stick recipes.